Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A8498. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels and they are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, a rear backup camera, and a Line-X spray-in bed liner here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.